Alright, let's get started. As you can see, this wheel kind of scrapes and the disc on the disc brakes, which we want to adjust. This can also happen if you want to have it tighter or loosen it, but now we're going to do a perfect adjustment. So first step is we're going to reset everything. So this small knob here, we're going to turn clockwise. That way it goes in completely. And then we're going to undo this screw here using your 5mm Allen key. Now don't remove the screw, we're only going to loosen it. Just enough so that that cable is free inside. As you can see, I can just move it up and down. Now we've reset our caliper. Next, we're going to loosen those two screws. Same thing, we're not going to remove it, we're only going to loosen them with that same 5mm Allen key. So turning anti-clockwise. There we go. Now that it's loose, as you can see, my caliper is kind of moving freely inside there. So how it's moving is from left to right. Okay, so what we want to do here is have that brake, have the disc right in between the two brake pads without touching any of them, but as close as we can to the left brake pad. Because how it's going to work is when we're going to be pulling on the brake, the lever is going to go up and it's going to be pressing only the right brake pad against the disc. So if it's already too close and you're pressing it, then it's going to be too loose and it's not going to hit on that left brake pad enough. So we want it in between, and we also want it parallel, but we want it as close as we can to the left brake pad without it touching. So now we start tightening it just a bit, but not too much, enough that you can adjust the brake caliper. And now I'm turning the wheel and I just want to make sure that it's not making any noise, but I get it as close as I can to the left brake pad. As you can see, let's say if I go too close like this, you can hear that it's touching. So I'm going to loosen it, bring it a little more there. And there we go. Now I'm not touching it. It's not touching anymore. And as I spin the wheel, and now I can start tightening it back up. Just loosely tighten and then you start tightening completely. Try to make sure that the brake caliper is kept in place. I'll give it another spin, make sure that it's not touching. And it isn't, so now I can make sure that it's completely tight. There we go, just making sure everything is perfect. Now, what we're going to do is bring that lever up, and you'll see that the right brake pad is going to start getting in closer to the disc. So if I bring it up a bit too much, as you can see, I'm touching. If I bring it down, and you basically bring it down until you don't hear the scraping anymore. And just as you don't, like right here, this is where I tighten the brake. Now ideally you can actually do a little more, so when it actually is touching just a bit, because as you can see this wire kind of goes in at the same time. So now if I tighten here, let it go, that's not touching, so that's perfect. And now while we keep spinning the tire, just undo this a bit, and as you can see when I go like this, going anti-clockwise and unscrewing, it gets this arm closer forward and so the right brake pad closer to the disc. And now you do this until you hear a little bit of scraping. When you do, then you turn clockwise again to make it looser. There we go, now I don't hear it anymore. And now we can switch onto the brake handle. And now we're nearly done. We're just going to do some fine tuning here. Now, if you feel that your brakes are still a little too loose, what you can do is undo this big screw here. You'll see that the one on my left, your right, the small one will also turn at the same time. And you kind of do it a bit, so undoing it, going anti-clockwise. Spin the wheel. If it's still not touching, then you're good. And once you have it at that perfect setting, turn this smaller knob here, but not the big one, and just towards the handle. That way you're tightening it and you're locking it in this position. And that's it, guys. Your brakes have been adjusted.